Don't litter. Or do. It'll just sit there, looking gross, being gross, definitely not decomposing. It's no big deal. Until, inevitably, the animals come to check it out and snack on things that animals shouldn't snack on. Before you know it, raccoons will become the size of gorillas, granola bar wrappers will blanket the streets, insects will show up in droves. Clouds of bugs everywhere. The big bugs, the worst bugs, killer bugs. We'll all get itchy rashes with big red welts. We'll have to live in caves underground and never see the light of day again. And our vitamin D deficiency will make us sad and mad and hangry, and we'll turn on each other, and society as we know it will collapse. Maybe. Just don't litter. Take the pledge to follow the Campers Code at camperscode.com.